Okay, so we got a question. Find the period. Okay, just to this is what you need. We need to find here. Okay. Now there is a few questions you may ask yourself. Okay, what is a period? What is the definition of a period? It's where we got repetitions. Okay, so between the start and the end point. Okay, this looks similar. So how can you find the? You can just pick up any point. Just pick up any point that you believe it's the start. For example, if I go, let me just go with this point. This point here in terms of x, because we're going to find the period in terms of x. Okay, this is where I'm going to say this. Assume this is a start, and then where's the end before we go to the repetition of the signal. Okay, so this signal starts here and goes all the way up, and then at this point, this is where we're going to have a repetition. So meaning this is where we have our ending point. Okay, so now you got a question, what are those points? Since I didn't write them down, which I was supposed to, so you should know this is where we have 0, and then this is where we have 1, 2, and then this is where you will find 3. So the period here will be, if I have to solve for the period at this point, it will be period will be equal to the ending point negative the starting point. Okay, and then starting point, which is s, and then the answer to this. Okay, the starting point is actually 1, and then the ending point is actually 3. So it should be 3 negative 1, which will give you 2. So this is what we call period. And just to give you another example, because you can pick up any point here. So let's go with, maybe if we select this point where the signal start and where the signal stop. This is actually where you will find, I will correct this point, it was supposed to be negative 6. Okay, and then this is where you see starting point, ending point, and then this is where you would find if I just negative 5, and here we find negative 6. So the period here will be equal to ending negative starting, which should be negative 5 negative okay, and then this should be negative 3. I think that is another okay, negative 3, and the answer to this will be negative 5. Okay, and then to be negative 5 plus, that's what we did, plus to be negative 5 negative 3, and the answer will be